Alright, today we're gonna fix DJI Phantom 3 gimbal. This is what you'll get if you order my kit. I start off with this. You have to forgive me, I'm not usually one to make videos, so the gimbal parts themselves, this is an alignment tool, and this is to lay out all the screws, because this job is hard enough without trying to remember where everything goes, and DJI was great about using a random assortment of screws. Every one of them is different, it seems. So first thing we'll want to do is tape this to the table. We don't want it blowing away or sliding around. You're gonna need a couple of tools, P0 or PH0 Phillips, T8 Torx. I like to keep a spare Phillips on hand just in case, and we'll need a 1.5mm Allen. Alright, so this is the camera I'm working with today. This is split. The roll motor, and this happens on most of them. That this breaks, the yaw arm also bends. If you don't break this, then you bend this, or break the yaw, bend the roll. So that's why I sell the kit in both pieces. Alright, let's get started here. Got a Phillips. Set that aside. And tiny little jugs. I'll do 2 videos. I'll do a disassembly. Yeah, that's working great already. And then I'll do an assembly afterwards. Should have laid that out a little flatter. Whatever, I know where it goes. this ribbon cable is stuck to the aluminum here. Get it pried off as best you can. You can always use your razor blade. There we go. Alright. And I got to flip both of these tabs up, and your ribbon cable will pop right out. Alright. Set that aside for now. And go ahead and pull all this off. Pull that off, and there's another tab right up under here. Flip that, and get your motor unhooked. Alright. That's garbage. Okay, that. I need to take this motor off. These are great to have a magnetic screwdriver when you do these, especially putting them back in. Alright, motor. That's trash. Alright. Now this one gets tricky. We're gonna start with our Torx. Make sure it sits in there good. You don't want to strip anything out. Thought your day was ruined when you crashed your copter. Wait till you strip out a screw and you got no way to fix it. Wiggle it in. There we go. Right. Carefully remove that cover. Now carefully flip that one up. This one comes from the other side. Alright. Now this ribbon is stuck right up under here. So you have to, I'm gonna do this video by not cutting this ribbon cable out of here, because you might be doing this repair without replacing the ribbon cable. So it'd be good to be able to do it without hurting anything. Alright. Now, just unwrap that. Let's see. My other Phillips was a little better for this one. There we go. And we slide that off. Now we can get at all these. Put these screws back in the wrong places. Some of them are just a little bit longer, and that won't work out so good. It'll break the screw standoffs right off of there. This one. Stuck. That one's junk. Yeah. Carefully remove this trim pot here. You don't want to twist that sideways because you'll break that too. Carefully slide it off of there. You'll pull on the motor wires if you're not careful. Pop that out of there. Pop that out of there. Alright, that's junk. Alright. And I think that about does it for our disassembly video. And we'll move on to an assembly video next.